here. Come here. So why you pee on the floor? No, no, sit down. I'm talking. No, no, you're not kissing me yet. I said no, 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 no. I'm not happy. You listen to me. Sit down. Look at the mama. And why you pee on the floor? Why you pee on the floor? Why? I said in the bathroom. And we have newspaper there and daddy never put it. Or you have to chop the door and daddy going to open the door. So why you pee on the floor? Why? I'm not saying say sorry. No, not yet. I don't want to accept the sorry just now. So why you pee on the floor? Don't do it again, okay? Okay? Don't get nervous. Do it again. Never. No, no, no. So say sorry to mama. Say sorry. Up. Don't do it again. Kiss more kiss. Say sorry again. No, come here. Say sorry. Say sorry to mama. Where are you? Kiss me here. Here. Say sorry. Kiss to mama. Here. Lloyd, kiss. Come here. Not yet finished. Kiss to mama. Come here. Say sorry. Say sorry. Thank you. No. Okay? Good girl. You know how to say sorry, okay? You know how to say sorry. Okay, go to daddy now. Mama is happy now. Go to daddy. Okay, you go to daddy now. No, say, go to daddy. No, there. Where's your daddy? Go to daddy, say daddy. Go to daddy. Tell daddy that you're okay now. Daddy's there. Go there. Say something to daddy. Tell daddy. Come on, good girl. So what you want now? Sit down. Sit. So what you want? What you want? You want to go out? You want to go out?